What's up, everyone? It's Jared from Capture the Magic, and we are back today to discuss some Universal news, but not in the theme parks, technically.
I'm intrigued.
So back in January of this year, Universal announced a year-round Halloween Horror Nights type of attraction that was coming to Las Vegas. Now, the only details they provided at the time was that there would be a rotating selection of Halloween Horror Nights inspired haunted houses. In true Universal fashion, they have been radio silent since the announcement until recently when the fog finally cleared. See what I did there?
Yeah, good one.
And Universal revealed the name of the Las Vegas-based attraction, which is going to be called Universal Horror Unleashed. Along with the official name reveal, Universal also showed off a few logos for Universal Horror Unleashed and stated that it will be a, quote, anchor tenant in the 20-acre expansion of Area 15, an immersive entertainment district in Las Vegas. If you paid attention to the Epic Universe construction updates, then you're aware of how Universal kinda handles announcements, as we knew from trademark filings that the name Universal Horror Unleashed was registered back in January, but they didn't confirm anything until now. Universal didn't release any further details about the attraction itself, but they did update some phrasing used when describing the experience. Universal said, quote, a variety of unique, immersive, and horror-centric experiences will surround eerie eateries and bone-chilling bar areas. They also said the company's first ever permanent horror experience is from the same folks behind Halloween Horror Nights, saying, Universal Horror Unleashed is another way we are using our unique style of horror storytelling to engage fans of this genre. The official press release from Universal also says that guests can expect a continuously updated experience with must-see seasonal events and one-of-a-kind merchandise. Now, we can only speculate on what horror franchises might end up in this new experience, but some that come to mind that do make a lot of sense are Chucky, Five Nights at Freddy's, The Purge, Halloween, The Exorcist, and of course, Universal Monsters. With Universal's brand new theme park Epic Universe under construction, which you can check out in other videos that we update regularly about that, having a Universal Monsters land in it, it makes sense that the Vegas Haunted House experience would feature Universal Monsters as well. This experience will cover an enormous 110,000 square foot area. Within this space, there will be 4 separate haunted house experiences, each with its own dedicated theme, and in the middle of the haunted houses will be a central hub area. And this central hub area or central zone will connect the 4 haunted houses together and contain dining and bar facilities for visitors. By having the dining and bars in the middle of the hub, they will be easily accessible from all parts of the attraction. So this layout would ideally allow for breaks and guests to refuel or gain some more liquid courage.
I need a drink.
Between visiting houses. If you're thinking this concept does sound familiar in terms of Halloween Horror Nights, then you probably won't be too surprised to learn that one of the rumors is that this experience will have a themed multi-room tribute store like you can find in Universal Studios. The tribute store is one of the most unique ways that I've ever seen a theme park sell merchandise, as they make it an experience as well as a place to get your merchandise, food, and more. So it's no surprise they would want to expand on this concept beyond the theme parks, and with Universal having filed a trademark for the term, quote, tribute store, probably safe to say this is coming to Vegas. Now, there's no timeline given by Universal as to when this experience is going to open to the public, but given it looks like they are just now working on the foundation of this building, it's probably safe to say this won't open until sometime in 2025 at the earliest. Of course, whenever we have any official word from Universal on this, we will be sure to let you know. Well, that's going to do it today for this update on the Las Vegas Universal Horror Unleashed. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel before you go, as we regularly provide Epic Universe construction updates, informational videos, and vlogs to help you get the most out of your Universal Studios and or Disney World vacation. So do you like this idea of a year-round Halloween Horror Nights experience? Let us know in the comments. So until next time, we will see you in the parks.